welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm gonna do some summer fair nails that are so ridiculously easy to do, like a 5-year-old could do them literally. I've been wanting to do these nails for such a long time, but I never had the right products. But thanks to Born Pretty, I now have everything that I need to do these nails. We're going to be doing some jelly nails with Fimo fruit slices, and I'm going to apply them using their clear non-stick hand extension nail gel. So let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm using some full long square nail tips from Beetles. Everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description box below. The first thing that I'm going to do, because I know I am going to be doing the Lazy Girl method and I don't want anything to happen to my nails a couple of days down the road, so I just buffed the inside of the nail since it was not pre-etched, so that the gel would have a nice buff surface to attach to. The next thing that I'm going to do is add cuticle oil to each of my nail beds, and then follow that with a layer of top coat. This is called the pop off method. If you want your nails to last, please do make sure that you are doing proper nail prep techniques. Alright, so now I'm going to use the extension gel, and as you can see, this stuff is not going anywhere. I turned it upside down. It remains in its same shape. I am going to be using 5 of these jelly colors from the Neon Garden collection by Born Pretty. And while I show you these, let me just mention Born Pretty is having a sale from now until the 14th of July, 25% off. So go to their website. There's a link in the description below. It is my affiliate link. You can go directly to their website, put in code July25 and save 25% off of your nail haul. Alright, aside from picking out the glitters, the fruit slices, and the coordinating colors, I have no idea how the rest of this video is going to happen until it does happen. Alright, so I just scooped a small bead of the extension gel, and I'm going to use that to actually pick up the glitter and a couple of slices of the fruit. I'm not sure how much yet. I just know that I want the fruit to run the full extension of the nails. The first thing that I do is add the glitter to it because I want to be able to see how much I have in there before I add the fruit. As you can see, this was not successful using my glove. It is sticking to my glove, and that is going to slow down my progress. So I do take off the glove so that I can work with the product a little bit better. If you have allergies or are sensitive to nail products, you may want to use your glove. I do not have any allergies, and I don't work with nail products as often as a normal nail tech would. So I took my chances and took my glove off to film this video. That being said, as you can see, it is working much better now. I added a couple of pieces of the fruit slices, and I just pushed it into the nail, just taking a look at it to see how it is looking. It is nice and thin. I'm just going to add any fruit slices if I need to, or any more glitter if I need to, and then I'm going to take that same spatula that I used to scoop it out of, and I'm going to smooth down the gel in the back of the nail. After I finish moving the pieces around, getting enough glitter in, getting it to where I think it is going to be thin enough around the cuticle area, thin enough at the free edge, smooth enough on the underside that I'm not going to pick at it, I then attach it to my nail. So the first nail, I got that one on. The second nail, I kind of figured out the technique that I was using. It was glitter first, add the Fimo slices to about how many I thought was going to fit on the nails. The process got easier. Actually, by the third nail, I was not having any problems at all. The great thing about this extension gel, because it is such a firm gel, if you have any spillage over into your cuticle area. You can just take the spatula, or you can use a cuticle stick or anything to take and scrape off the excess before you cure it into the lamp. I think that was the best part of it. Also, that you didn't really need a flash cure lamp, because once you stick it on, it's pretty much going to stay there. I did flash cure them for about 30 seconds just to move on to the next nail. And then after I was done with all of the nails, I cured it for the full 60 seconds. I'm just showing you there that I'm not putting the nails like straight flat down onto my nail bed. I'm going in it at an angle, and actually what I'm trying to do is slide it, come down just a little bit below where the nail should be, and kind of sliding it back up closer to my cuticle area, if that makes sense. The only reason why I'm trying to like scoot it back is to make sure that it, one, attaches level, and two, that I don't have any excess to come out around the cuticle area. I don't know, it sounded like a good idea at the time, but anyway, they turned out pretty good. So now, as I repeat this process over the next couple of nails, again, it gets easier with each nail, but it is a repetitive process. So now I'm just going to speed up the video while I do the next couple of nails until we get to the next thing. I can't believe how easy these nails were. They were so fast, no filing, no shaping, just a little buffing, like done in my lunch hour. And that's only because I had to film. I just wanted to show y'all what the nails look like now, because I had trouble with them popping off. So I had to use nail tabs. By the end of the video, like all of the nails had basically popped off. I think I only had 2 left. But anyway, I digress. There was little filing that needed to be done to the nails. I did buff on the top of them, and I did go around the length of the nail and up underneath the nail just to make sure that there were no jagged edges, but everything was basically smooth at this point because we did the lazy girl method. Alright, so now I'm going in with the gel polish, and I'm just going to do a quick fade up the nails. And doing this with the jelly polish is so much easier than it is with like a cream based polish. It basically ombres itself. We are almost to the end of the video. I can't believe it. I keep saying it, but like these nails were so easy. Definitely going to be doing some Lazy Girl encapsulated nails, because I'm obsessed with dimensional nails, junk nails. I'm just obsessed with them. So I'm definitely going to be doing more of those in some upcoming videos. Before I do go, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you know each and every time a new video is uploaded to the channel. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a fruit emoji if you are feeling these fruit nails. I'm going to play a little bit of music and come back at the end of the nail set. we are almost to the end of the video. So after I am finished with the ombre, the last thing that I'm going to do, because these are clear nails, I want them to be top coated on the top as well as underneath the nail. And then I'm going to fully cure the nails for 60 seconds. Afterwards, I'm going to remove the tacky layer with some alcohol, and then finally I'm going to add the cuticle oil. Here is the final look. These were so easy, so super cute. I'm obsessed. I did do the thumb in a reel, so stay tuned for that one. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.